Winter camping is an entirely different challenge compared to summer trips. The cold, unpredictable weather demands the right gear to stay warm, safe, and comfortable. In this video, we'll go over essential gadgets and equipment that can make your winter camping experience more enjoyable. Whether it's staying warm at night, cooking in freezing temperatures, or keeping your gear in top shape. With that being said, let's dive right in. The bitter cold of winter camping can turn even simple tasks into painful challenges for numb fingers. The Ocoopa Union 5S hand warmer offers reliable warmth when you need it most. This rechargeable electric hand warmer delivers three-sided heating with adjustable temperature settings ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. Its 10,000 mAh battery provides up to 15 hours of continuous heat on a single charge, making it dependable throughout extended winter excursions. The Union 5S features an ergonomic design that fits comfortably in your palm or pocket. Its aircraft-grade aluminum shell conducts heat efficiently while remaining durable against the inevitable drops and bumps of outdoor adventures. Beyond warming cold hands, it doubles as a power bank for charging essential devices like phones or headlamps. This dual functionality eliminates the need for carrying multiple battery packs, saving precious pack space. When the snow falls and temperatures drop, your shelter becomes your lifeline. The Big Agnes Copper Spur HVUL stands as one of winter camping's most reliable guardians, without adding unnecessary weight to your pack. This ultralight four-season tent combines surprising spaciousness with remarkable durability. The high-volume hub design creates steep walls that maximize livable space while shedding snow efficiently. Pre-bent poles and a strategic pole structure ensure stability against winter winds without compromising its sub-3-pound trail weight. The tent features reinforced waterproof seams and a ripstop nylon fly with waterproof PU coating. Multiple interior pockets help organize essential gear, while the generous vestibules provide protected storage for boots and equipment. What truly distinguishes this shelter is its balanced approach, offering winter protection without the bulk typically associated with four-season tents, making it a versatile companion for serious backcountry enthusiasts. When minutes matter in frigid temperatures, the Jetboil flash cooking system transforms the simple act of boiling water into a marvel of efficiency and speed. This integrated cooking system brings water to a rolling boil in just 100 seconds, conserving both fuel and time when conditions are at their harshest. The insulated cozy with color-changing heat indicator shows exactly when your water is ready, eliminating guesswork in challenging environments. The Flash's 1-liter Fluxering cooking cup features an insulated handle and drink-through lid, allowing you to prepare and consume hot beverages without transferring contents to another container. Its push-button igniter eliminates fumbling with matches in cold, potentially wet conditions. The system's ingenious design includes a fuel canister stabilizer and the ability to store the burner and a 100-gram fuel canister inside the cup when packed, maximizing space efficiency in your winter pack. The boundary between comfort and hypothermia often comes down to what separates you from frozen ground. The Therm-a-Rest NeoAir XTherm transforms this critical interface with remarkable efficiency and minimal bulk. This four-season sleeping pad achieves an exceptional R value of 6.9, while maintaining a packed size smaller than a water bottle. Its proprietary thermocapture technology uses multiple layers of reflective material to trap radiant heat, while triangular core matrix construction creates hundreds of individual cells that minimize convective heat loss. Despite its impressive insulation capabilities, the XTherm weighs just 15 ounces in the regular size and inflates quickly with the included pump sack, eliminating the moisture issues caused by blowing into pads in frigid conditions. The 30 denier ripstop nylon bottom provides puncture resistance against rough surfaces, while the textured top fabric prevents sleeping bag slippage on inclined terrain. In the unforgiving landscape of winter wilderness, reliable navigation becomes as essential as your next breath. The SUUNTO 9 Baro GPS watch delivers critical data when environmental margins for error shrink to zero. This rugged multi-sport watch combines intelligent battery management with over 80 sport modes specifically calibrated for outdoor activities. The barometric altimeter provides precise elevation readings critical for route finding in winter conditions, while the Fuse Track algorithm maintains accurate GPS tracking even in battery-saving modes. Weather alerts warn of incoming storms through barometric trend monitoring, giving you precious time to seek shelter or revise plans. The sapphire crystal face and stainless steel bezel withstand the inevitable impacts of winter adventures. With up to 120 hours of GPS tracking in battery-saving mode and water resistance to 100 meters, the SUUNTO 9 Baro continues functioning through snowstorms, unexpected submersions, and sub-zero temperatures. In winter's extended darkness, visibility becomes a fundamental necessity, rather than a convenience. The Black Diamond Storm 400 headlamp cuts through the longest nights with versatility that matches the unpredictable demands of cold weather camping. This compact powerhouse delivers 400 lumens of adjustable brightness with an impressive 150-hour runtime on its lowest setting. The PowerTap technology allows instant transitioning between full and dimmed power with a simple touch, preserving night vision while conserving battery life. What distinguishes the Storm 400 is its specialized lighting modes. The red, green, and blue night vision options preserve your eye's natural adaptation to darkness, while the strobe function serves as an emergency signal if needed. The brightness memory feature returns to your preferred setting when powered on. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures reliable operation in snow, sleet, and unexpected dunks in icy water. The sealed battery housing protects against moisture while remaining accessible with gloved hands. When consistent hydration becomes as vital as your next breath in winter's deceptive dryness, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 FlowState stands ready to defy freezing temperatures and maintain your fluid intake without fail. This vacuum-insulated tumbler keeps hot drinks steaming for up to 7 hours, and cold beverages chilled for up to 11 hours, with ice remaining unmelted for an impressive 2 days. The 40-ounce capacity means fewer refills during long winter days at camp. The FlowState's thoughtful design includes a rotating cover with 3 positions, a straw opening for easy sipping, a wide mouth for chugging, and a full cover option to prevent spills during transport. The ergonomic handle accommodates gloved hands, while the narrow base fits standard vehicle cup holders for travel days. Constructed with recycled 18x8 stainless steel, this tumbler withstands the inevitable drops and bumps of outdoor life, while remaining BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Between rugged terrain and restful sleep stands a crucial, yet often overlooked piece of winter camping gear. The NEMO Equipment Fillo Elite Pillow transforms uncomfortable nights into rejuvenating rest while maintaining the packability serious winter adventurers demand. This ultralight backpacking pillow combines a thin layer of memory foam with an air chamber that adjusts to your preferred loft and firmness. When inflated, it provides 3 inches of head support that cradles your neck regardless of sleeping position. When packed, it compresses to the size of a lime in its integrated stuff sack. The Fillo Elite's premium jersey cover feels soft against cold, weather-chapped skin and can be removed for washing after extended trips. The precision valve allows for micro-adjustments without unwanted air loss during the night. Clean water access becomes exponentially more challenging when freezing temperatures turn streams to ice and snowmelt becomes your primary source. The Sawyer product's mini water filtration system addresses this fundamental need with remarkable efficiency and minimal weight. This 2-ounce marvel removes 99.99% of bacteria and protozoa using a 0.1 micron absolute hollow fiber membrane filter, exceeding EPA standards for water purification. The versatile system attaches directly to included squeeze pouches, standard disposable water bottles, or in line with hydration bladders. What distinguishes the Sawyer Mini in winter conditions is its back-flushable design. The included syringe allows for field maintenance to restore flow rates when filtering turbid snowmelt or partially frozen water sources. With a 100,000-gallon lifetime capacity, this filter eliminates the need for chemical treatments or battery-dependent purification systems that fail in cold temperatures. When night temperatures plummet in winter wilderness, your sleeping bag becomes your most critical lifeline. The Kelty Cosmic 20-down sleeping bag delivers exceptional thermal efficiency without the premium price tag that typically accompanies winter-ready down insulation. This 20-degree rated mummy bag uses 550 fill-power dry down, a hydrophobic down treatment that maintains loft and insulating properties even when exposed to moisture from condensation or snow. The draft collar, draft tube, and thermal comfort hood create multiple barriers against heat loss at traditional cold spots. The bag's polyester taffeta liner feels soft against skin while efficiently wicking moisture away from your body during sleep. Its differential cut provides room for comfortable movement without creating cold spots or compression points. At just under 3 pounds, the Cosmic 20 strikes an impressive balance between packability and warmth. In the unpredictable theater of winter weather, your outer shell becomes your first and most critical defense. The Arc'teryx Beta AR jacket stands as the definitive barrier between you and winter's harshest elements without unnecessary bulk or complexity. This versatile hardshell utilizes N8PX 3L Gore-Tex Pro fabric, a breathable, waterproof membrane that maintains its protective properties in extreme conditions while allowing interior moisture to escape during high exertion activities. The helmet-compatible storm hood provides full coverage without sacrificing peripheral vision essential for navigation in whiteout conditions. The Beta AR's articulated patterning creates freedom of movement for technical maneuvers without excess material that could catch on equipment. Watertight zippers and taped seams eliminate potential entry points for moisture, while pit zips provide rapid temperature regulation. Strategic reinforcement in high-wear areas ensures longevity, while careful design eliminates unnecessary features that add weight without function. Every winter, camper knows that moment when the trek stretches longer than expected, and freezing toes become the only thing you can think about. Darn Tough Hiker boot socks redefine what winter footwear can deliver when other options fail miles from shelter. These merino wool blend socks combine natural temperature regulation with strategic cushioning exactly where boots create pressure points. The fine gauge knitting process creates a density that insulates without bulk, allowing proper boot fit while maintaining crucial dead air space for thermal efficiency. The naturally antimicrobial merino fibers maintain warmth even when wet, while the seamless construction eliminates chafing that can compromise skin integrity in cold environments. The reinforced heel and toe areas resist wearing through at common failure points, while the performance fit eliminates bunching that can restrict circulation and create cold spots. After a day of battling winter terrain, most campers end up sitting on freezing logs or squatting uncomfortably around the fire. The Helinox Chair One transforms this familiar discomfort into unexpected luxury without demanding precious pack space. This packable camp chair weighs just 2 pounds, yet supports up to 320 pounds thanks to its DAC aluminum frame, the same material trusted in premium mountaineering tents. The chair assembles in seconds through an intuitive shock cord system that works even with gloved hands in sub-freezing temperatures. The durable polyester seat fabric dries quickly after snowfall and distributes weight to eliminate pressure points during extended sitting. When packed, the entire chair fits into a bundle the size of a water bottle, easily strapping to the outside of winter packs. When navigating icy traverses or breaking trail through deep snow, your balance often hinges on what's in your hands. Black Diamond Trail trekking poles provide that critical third and fourth point of contact when winter terrain becomes unpredictable and consequences escalate. These all-season aluminum poles feature Flicklock Pro adjustability that operates reliably even with gloved hands in sub-zero temperatures. The dual-density foam grips extend down the shaft for quick hand positioning changes on varied terrain without removing mittens to make adjustments. The interchangeable carbide tech tips bite securely into ice and frozen ground, while the included powder baskets prevent sinking in deep snow. The 3-section design collapses to just 25 inches for easy attachment to winter packs during technical sections requiring ice axes. At 18 ounces per pair, these poles strike the optimal balance between durability and weight. When winter camping demands more gear, but your body demands proper load distribution, the choice of backpack becomes the linchpin of comfort and efficiency. The Osprey Aether Plus addresses this critical balance with engineering that makes heavy loads feel manageable on multi-day winter expeditions. This technical pack features the customizable AirScape back panel with an adjustable harness that accommodates various torso lengths and winter clothing layers. The Isoform hip belt can be heat molded for a personalized fit that prevents pressure points during extended carries. Winter-specific features include reinforced ski carry straps, ice axe loops, and a removable top lid that converts to a day pack for summit attempts. The J-Zip front panel access allows retrieval of deeply packed items without unpacking your entire kit in snowy conditions. With a volume expandable to 77 liters and constructed of high-tenacity nylon, the Aether Plus handles the additional weight and bulk that winter camping necessitates while maintaining stability on uneven terrain. When winter camping gear gets complex and high-tech, there's something refreshing about objects that simply do their job perfectly. The Snow Peak Titanium Mug represents this elegant simplicity through thoughtful Japanese design. This 450 milliliter capacity mug weighs a mere 2.4 ounces thanks to its pure titanium construction, yet remains virtually indestructible against the inevitable drops and impacts of backcountry use. The foldable handles lock securely in place during use and fold flat for efficient packing. Unlike insulated alternatives, this single-wall design can be placed directly on stoves or suspended over flames, allowing for quick heating of beverages or simple meals. The titanium material transfers heat quickly to contents without imparting metallic flavors. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more video like this, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. Also, feel free to check out the links in the description for all the gadgets we talked about. This is Tech Vista. Stay safe, and I will see you next time.